My name is Ariel Rosenthal. This is my place. It's called Akosem. Akosem in English, it's meaning the magician. To make falafel, we use some chickpeas. Then we use some garlic, onions, and some fresh spicy. And then we use as well some fresh coriander and persil. This is the first step. Beautiful, huh? Okay, this is the first step. The second step, this is our own special spices. We have cumin, we have sesame, we have salt inside. We put a little bit. We have to make it a lot of this. So this is actually the falafel. And it's light. If you make it fresh every 45 minutes, so it's light. If it stays longer, it's becoming like a stone. It's becoming more heavier. So the most fresh you make it, and the herb that we use is making lighter and crispy from outside. Smoothie from inside and crispy from the outside. The first step is to take a tasty pita. We build a special oven. It's a steamed oven that keep the pita steamed.
But chef, the pita itself is different.
Yes. The pita himself, yes, the pita himself, it's a handmade, low-tech pita. We make it with pans one by one. So it's like this is how they used to make pita 100 years ago, before all the ovens and all the technology came.
It also causes it to be much fluffier.
Much fluffier, yes. And then you can also put a more percentage of water. And it's like you eat in a cloud.
Yes, it is.
It's like a souffle. Okay, so I think all over the world people use bread like in a pizza or in a sandwich. I think the pita bread is genius because you can actually refill this pita bread pocket in whatever you want, and then you can eat it like stand alone in the street. So I think it's really a masterpiece product because you have it like the bread, inside stuff, fill things, and just eat it. So you eat the whole package. It's like you get a present and you can eat also the wrap. Okay, so now we will make the falafel. So first of all, we take hummus. Of course, this is a homemade hummus of us. And then we put some spicy if you like.
That's the Yemenite, that's schug?
This is schug, yes. It's a schug. Schug is a very spicy paste, yes. This is a smashed garlic. So it's just garlic and olive oil.
So this is not really a date food?
This is not. Or if both of the dates eat the garlic, you can have dates. Our famous eggplant, aubergine. Then we put 3 falafel balls, first of all.
And your falafel, it's a chickpea-based falafel, right?
The falafel is 100% made of chickpeas. Then we put fresh garlic, fresh onions, persil, coriander. And then we put, of course, some spices like salt, cumin. We put sesame, katzach, it's the black sesame. And a few more top secret things.
Spices?
Yes. So then we put fresh salads. We put cabbage. We put pickle, yes, pickle. This is salted Korean pickles.
Yep.
We put onion and some persil. On the top of everything, we put tahina. Tahina is made out of sesame, lemon, and water. And then we put the second step, like a building. We put 2 more, and then again, salad, cabbage, pickles, onion, and persil. And then we put once again tahina from upstairs. The Iraqi, in Iraq, this is, we call it amba. It's made out of mango. It's a spicy mango.
But pickled.
Pickled mango, yes. It's cooked. It's cooked with spices. And if you want, you can put just a little bit. And so, thank you for coming. This is for you. I think that everything you make, if it's a Michelin restaurant or street food, I think you can make it high top. The top ingredients you use, top quality. So we use the best ingredients we can find in the world. The chickpeas, the sesame, the olive oil. We bring it out of different places to reach the best quality ingredients. And then how you make it? We use sunflower oil. We change it every day. The falafel we make 16 times a day. The pita bread we get it 4 times a day. The hummus we make it every 2 hours. So if you ask, define good falafel, it's about the ingredients, the fresh, and how you make it. I think when you eat falafel in the pita bread, first of all, it's very healthy, but I think it's very tasty because you have the warm, because the falafel bowl is very hot. So you have the warm, then you have the pita bread, and then you have the salad and the tahina and the spices. I think it's really a magic bite. I truly feel that it's something that not so many dishes around the world can have this so many flavors and textures in one bite. I think it's magic. It's a miracle. Now we do slow motion masabacha. Masabacha, it's actually make it. It's a kind of hummus, but we make it on the spot. So it's hot chickpeas, tahina, cumin, lemon, olive oil. People eat masabacha normally for breakfast because it's very fresh. It's not so heavy because we make it on the spot. So it's a bit floppy. Is it floppy, you said? Fluffy. And I think also it's chickpeas, tahina. It's only health. It's olive oil. So you have the chickpeas, you have the sesame from tahina, you have olive oil, you have lemon. What can be bad? It's just good. So let's make it step by step. First of all, we use small chickpeas, hot, really good cooked. This chickpeas cooked for 3-4 hours. Okay, we take all the water from the chickpeas. By the way, the water of the chickpeas is also very healthy. You can make out of it desserts and bread and everything. Aquafaba. Okay. So we have the chickpeas. Then we put some tahina. Tahina is made out of sesame. And then I put a little bit of spicy. Like you said, it's a Yemenite spicy, it's khug. I put my secret ingredients, but I will tell you the secret. It's cumin and salt. Okay, so we put some cumin and salt inside. And we put some fresh lemon. Some olive oil. Now we smash it.
But the key in the masabacha is to keep some chunks.
Yes. So you smash it, but not so much. So now, to make it also some morning dish, so we added some boiled egg. We put some olive oil and some lemon at the top. And then we put some basil. And all we have to do now is just take the spoon, pick up the plate, and eat. Thank you, chef. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, chef.
Let's have some breakfast.